फातोर्डा पुलिशेन एटीएम चोरी प्रकरणात 2 रोमेनियन आरोपींक अटक केल्या. चोर स्किमरांचो वापर करून चोरी करताले म्हूण दुबाव पुलिशेन उक्तायला. तशेंच ह्या केशींत फुडें तपास चल्ला म्हूण फातोर्डा पीआय नवलेश देसाईन म्हायती दिल्या. आर्टेक्सको ब्युरो रिपोर्ट.
Yesterday on 24th July 2018, the manager of State Bank of India Margao had lodged a complaint. Manager name is Shamin Sheikh that two unknown person, foreign national, by covering their face and wearing a cap hat, came in the SBI ATM at Usha complex and install an electronic device, camera and a skimmer to the ATM machine. In his complaint, he mentioned that both of them came on 23rd night and on 24th morning also they had come. And they went. Yesterday we registered the complaint of theft of data for cheating and for committing attempt. Thereafter, we kept all our staff at and around the ATM machine. Yesterday at 10:30 p.m., both two foreigners, namely one is Paul Daniel, age 38 years, resident of Romania national, and another one is Email Serbo, age 33 years, resident of Romania national. First one is Daniel, Paul Daniel. And second one is Email, E-M-I-L, Serbo, both
EMIL.
E-M-I-L.
Second.
Serbo, S-E-R-B-U, both Romanian national. Yesterday we kept all our staff and kept the ATM under observation. Yesterday at 11:30, both this person came in two different Swift cars. And upon suspicion, we tried to stop both the cars. However, they ran away, both the cars, and went towards Benjim side. And we caught one car at Titan Junction and one car at Kuttalim Junction.